counties have a problem.
Wa Kiheo TV ni gavo na ni mwihoko wakwa ni watidia vayo ona ibe mweno yo ni twatidia vayo tugikomavira muhoro kudu gutiganite ni gavo cio mwanya jetagwo Maureen Wanjiru na kia mwabiriri na njira ya shiko twina Vivian Wagashi na rutuko tukirika hari ripoti na kuria mutongoria wa bũrũri akorwo agĩtinda kuria mwana wa KCC agĩthina mbere na kwarĩrĩria maingĩ megie motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ. Na rĩu ikĩingira thikũ ya kerĩ ĩgiĩ kĩgomano kĩa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ na kĩrĩa gĩthiĩte na mbere gũtabanĩrio nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya KCC gĩgĩtongorio nĩ mũtongoria wa bũrũri President William Ruto a Kenya nĩ magĩte na mweke wa kũria ciũria ciĩgiĩ mathenya na marĩa makoretwo makĩonekana magũmĩire sekta ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ rungu wa motungata ma ũrĩhi wa SHA. Kũrĩ ũguo President Ruto nĩ athiĩte na mbere na kwĩrĩra a Kenya atĩ mamwe ma mathenya macio nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na kũgacĩrithio gũkũ agĩthiĩ na mbere na kuga atĩ motungata macio nĩ magacĩrithĩtio oho kũrĩra a Kenya marĩ na mweke wa kwamũkĩra motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ thibitarĩ-inĩ cia mũingĩ na thibitarĩ kĩũmbe. Oho nĩ augĩte atĩ maabitha a ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩrĩa makoragwo makĩruta wĩra rungu wa kandarathi nĩ mekuona na mweke wa kwandĩkwo wĩra wa gũtũra.
The outstanding CBA agreements with nurses and with the other health care workers, and the need for us to bring on board the Salaries and Remuneration Commission. The Salaries and Remuneration Commission, as we all know, is an independent institution, but we will socialize them to the need for us to have an agreement with the Council of Governors and with the health workers. So again, that is some homework for me. I will make sure that the SRC comes on board. I'm sure the Council of Governors will also do their bit, and they are here, they will speak for themselves. Finally, is on the issue of the staff, former staff of UHC. We did make available resources to transition these good people to permanent and pensionable. We made the resources available. We just have a minor issue between us and the counties, which we should be able, I think, Chair, ladies and gentlemen, let us sort this out. And let's give ourselves a maximum of a week and sort this out. I have given options. I have said, if the counties have a problem absorbing,
and they will have a very bad outcome and a reduced quality of life. So these are some of the things we would like that SHA to reconsider, so that people get the care that they need at the time that they need it, because some of the access rules, unfortunately, are not fair to the patients.
Of dialysis, but if we dealt with it early, maybe we'll have a bit more sessions, we could actually save the kidney. Is it something?
Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere na rĩu thirikari ĩrĩ na mũbango wa gũkorwo ĩgĩtia ngunia cia mbembe milioni 25 cia kilo 90 arĩ ta njĩra ya kũhũrana na ũnyihu wa irio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirio nĩ riũa inene hamwe na mathĩna ma ũcenjia wa rĩera. Minista wa Ngirigasha Mutahi Kagwe augĩte thirikari nĩ ĩharĩirie na kwambĩka mĩbango ya gũkinyanĩria wĩtia ũcio wa mbembe na kũrĩa erĩire a Kenya makinya marĩa thirikari ĩtacũkĩtie nĩ gũtigĩrĩra bũrũri ũrĩ na irio cia kũigana.
Yes, we will import maize. We have already made arrangements for that. So it's not a big deal. We will manage. The country is not going to go hungry. We are looking at about 25, let's say 25 million bags. 25 million bags, 90 kilograms 25 million 90 kilogram bags. That's about the figure that we are looking at the moment, because it is not all the crop that has failed. We normally use about 70 to 75 million bags. We think that we are going to be short about 25. The reason why I think there is that concern is because of the climatic conditions that we are experiencing. For example, there is a drought within most of the areas where we grow our maize. And these are some of the things we are talking about transformation. For example, over-reliance on rain-fed agriculture. It is time for us to move more into irrigation and irrigation-fed agriculture, so that the kind of climatic changes that are happening will not impact us as much as they are at this time.
We are encouraging smart agriculture. We are using new technology. We are using drones. We are using other new technologies as opposed to just tilling the land, using a djembe to dig and do that. That is what has been discouraging most youths from getting into agriculture. We are now getting into an election year. We also must not be consumed too much by election and forget about agriculture, because elections will come and go and Kenya will still be there. People will still need to eat.
Tugithie na mbere na riu atwarithia a bodaboda tauni-ini ya Kagio ni muritie ruhonge rwa waki wa barabara Kenha gukorwo rukigathika migiko barabara-ini ya Kutuzu guthii Kagio, na makiaria na andiki a mohoro ni macakaite na banene ya atwarithia a nduthi na aria mathite na mbere gukwirira barabara-ini iyo, makiuga ati kurakorwo na andu marakua barabara-ini iyo o muthenya. Gideon Murethi no ni mutwarithia wa nduthi andikithitie ati barabara iyo korwo ikiaramio aniguo kunyanyihia muhatikano wa ngari o undu umwe na mitino ya barabara iria ikoretwo ikihandika barabara-ini iyo o muthenya.
Kama hii barabara kutoka Kiheo Kutuzu, ukiangalia pale hivi kuna shimo kubwa sana, then pale hivi kuna shimo kubwa sana. Tunaomba serikali iweze kutengenezea hiyo barabara ili tuweze, hata magari zetu zinaharibikia hapo. Unapata gari imegonga ile baba imegonga mtu hapo. So tunaomba serikali iweze kutengenezea barabara zetu ili tupunguze at least accident, zipungue, tusikuwe na accident.
Magari ya kubeba uzito mingi walitengeneza kiasi ya kubeba magari sio mzito. Sasa magari ya mahindi inatoka Tanzania inabomoa barabara zetu. Sasa hapa kumekuwa na simo, tunauliza sasa hii mazimo magari ya miraa inakuja ikiyepa hiyo mazimo hata haitabui mtu wa nduthi, tunauliza sasa hapa akikufa watu ndio atakimbia kunini kufurufuru hii mazimo. Hatukatai kulipa ushuru, tunalipa karosa hapa Kirinyaga, hatuna ni complain. Tunataka kuona ile pesa yetu ile inatufanyia, tuone serikali inatuja hii mazimo tufungiwe hapa na pale kwenye ile nini soko. Hiyo soko ni kidogo, watu hawatosei. Magari ya Nairobi inasimama kwa barabara, magari ya customers inasimama kwa barabara. Tunaomba hii soko ya hapa Kagio hii modern market hii tunajengewa na Mheshimiwa Ruto imaliziwe haraka ndio tuingie kwa soko. Juu hata pale kuna accident nyingi inafanyika, maroli inakuja inapita na watu wa nduthi juu unajua barabara yetu.
Tugithie na mbere tugitigana icio ciigie wongereku wa mitino ni ati mubunge wa Mburi Mugambi Rundikire yoritie muingi gukorwo makihimbiria andu aria makoragwo na wathe wa cerebral palsy. Akiaria ari mwena wa Kilwa hindi ya kambeni ciigimainie na murimu ucio niritabanitio ni ruhonge rwa IPSOS yoritie gukorwo kuo kwa indo iria ikoragwo igibatarania kuri andu acio kumateithĩrĩria guthie na mbere na miturire yao ya oro muthenya. Kuri oguo aciari ni murito guthie na mbere na ukorwo makiumiria ciana ciao na kumateithĩrĩria ukorwo makiamukira motungata na maria makoragwo makiamukirwo ni ciana iria ingĩ.
Many cases we make very serious mistakes. As a member of parliament, and I've had one of the greatest problems here, because everybody you meet, whenever you go to the meetings, they only ask for roads, electricity. They ask for water. They ask for good uniforms and good clothing. And the mannerless, they ask for 100 bob. Little do they talk about social transformation. where health, education, and the treatment of such people that causes us to be here today is. You rarely hear in a campaign meeting people talk about disability. You rarely hear in a campaign people talk about institutions to take care of people with special needs.
Lakini on process ya matibabu mtoto alikuwa anashinda ya cerebral. Kuendelea hivyo akapigwa scan, CT scan, kukawa na patches kwa brain. Saa hapo ni kuanza madawa na treatment na therapy. Saa kurudi nyumbani kukakuwa sasa hapo hakuna hospitali, hakuna anything, tuko nyumbani. Maisha ikawa ngumu.
Hizo therapy tunahitajika kwenda kwa mwezi mara 3. Na hiyo mara 3 mahali mimi natoka, kama kwangu natumia ndio nitoke hapo niende therapy mahali nafanyiwa therapy, natumianga 1,000.
Ile ukosefu wa hewa kwa ubongo ndio inafanya mtoto anakuwa ile, si mtoto akizaliwa tunasemaga mtoto anafaa alie hiyo dakika, so anapokosa kulia hewa inakosa kuenda kwa ubongo, so ile kukosa kuenda kwa ubongo inakosa kufungua ile njia ya kupumua. Sasa mtoto anakosa ile hewa muhimu yenye inafaa ifungue ile mapafu yake aweze kupumua.
We hope, because we believe that with the right early intervention, a great majority of these children can reach their potential and lead what we can call a near normal life. In fact, successful life. Since inception, we have conducted 23 therapy camps. Now that is what a therapy camp means, what we've just interacted with. And today, as we gather for this event, we are proudly marking our 25th. We have reached more than 120 children and consequently more than 150 families with cerebral palsy.
Na ripoti yo egi kabini ya dora marina wave no tukaba gutivia nayo o hanini tobe tuikiria no tukoto kishokeria na ripoti gi dogavi haraya.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witi.
Ndumiriri yake ikinyire makiri maigi ma a Kenya we niwe turenda araniria na ithuĩ ũmũthĩ kugerera 0758487904 nĩ 0758487904 na nĩ ũgũteithĩka. Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Reke tuge nĩ mũirĩtu na mwanake majagia tugaga from zero atari na kindu, so indo icio a mutumia na muthuri ucio magia meke hiko-ini, indo icio ciĩtagwo matrimonial property.
Landlord na landlady na tenant ni makubaliano, it's an agreement na you are bound by the terms of the agreement. Hiyo makubaliano yenu mlikubaliana aje, rent itakuwa inalipwa aje, itakuwa inalipwa lini, itakuwa inalipwa kwa account gani?
Before gore muda kitu kia mbere itia kupewa title thikure kwa lands registry weke search but because model mako digital because search is online through sasa yeah.
Absconding ni kukaterere ninafaa kwenda koti kesho lakini sitaenda juu sitaki kwenda. It's not, unaweza kuwa mgonjwa, hiyo inaweza eleweka, but absconding ni ile unakataa kwenda juu without any good reason. Yeah.
Sexual assault toginya ikorwo ni kokiu ya sexual no korwo ni ugo waiga tumitugo tutari twega turatuma mundu ucio ngi atuike uncomfortable.
Nio muthenya wa kanaga kiumia thaa 2 nginya thaa 3 cia hwaini guku gwa Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class O utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, mo kia witikiriku.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ twacokeria ikirekeria keri ria mohoro Kabiru Thaa Imwe tukinyitanira tuthie na mbere na rĩu njive kuma wodi-inĩ ithano gĩcigo-inĩ ũmbunge kia Mvita nĩ marĩkĩtie kũgunĩka na mathomo ma ũbaitĩri wa motungata ma hi na hi. Mũbango ũyũ ũkinyanĩrio nĩ mũmbunge wa Mvita Mohamed Sud Machere ũnyitanĩire na rũhonge rwa mũtharaba mũtune Red Cross. Kũrĩ ũguo mũmbunge Mohamed nĩ athĩte na mbere na kũria mbeũ njivi na kũmarutĩra mukana wa kwaga kuhubirwo uru ni ateti hari gucogera ngui na makiria hindi ya kambeni cia uteti nirivite na mbere na gwakiriria guothe bũrũri-inĩ.
Lazima kama kiongozi mimi nitafute njia tofauti kuhakikisha vijana wenzangu wametambulika kwa jamii. Leo tuko hapa, nafikiri vijana through foundation, nashukuru wale waloleta movement hii ama timu hii kukaa chini na kufikiria mbinu gani tutatembea kama jamii moja. Vijana nafikiri wiki nzima hii kila ward umeitwa kiward, si ndio? Leo tuko hapa vijana 100 ndio tumeanza. Na hii response team ina nafasi ya kila mmoja, haitobagua mtu. Kila mmoja yuko yakaribishwa. Haja yetu kubwa ni kuangalia njia gani zitasaidia community mitani kwetu.
Wewe ukiwa pale Chuda, ukiwa pale Shimanzi, ukiwa pale Old Town, mtu amezimia, unamsaidia vipi ndio mfikishe Makadara hospitalini? Kwa hakika ni fursa adhimu sana, na natumai ya kwamba tutaweza kuwafikishia hayo masomo. Na kwa ufupi masomo yenyewe yatakava masuala ya huduma ya kwanza, na pia kutakuweko na masuala ya kuhusu fire safety. Vipi utaweza kujilinda ili tusikuwe na shida za changamoto ya kuwepo kwa moto.
Tuhakikishe kwamba tunapoenda mbele tunaweka amani. Iko watu watatumia vijana kwa njia ambaye si mzuri. Ile inaitwa bullying. Unajua maneno ya bullying? Hiyo hatutapenda. Vijana wafanye kazi mzuri, wajihusishe na maneno ya michezo, wajihusishe na mambo ambayo yanasaidia jamii, lakini uhuni haitapeleka mtu mahali.
Tugithie na mbere turi mwena ucio wa gicui-ini tuhiuke kaunti-ini ya Kwale na kuria aciari mabite na mbere na kuinyirio makoro magicokerera hari wigiriki wa kurera ciana ciao na njira igwete na makiria guthi na mbere na gukorwo makimagitira kumana na mogwati niritana rikitio thutha gukorwo kuri na wongerereku wa namba nene ya aciari gukorwo matiganirie wira wao wa kurera ciana ukirikana ati ndeto iyo ne ciongiririe namba nene ya ciana cia airetu wohi wa nda cia tene hamwe na gukorwo makihika ihinda riao ritakinyite nicio ciana cia imwana ikirikana ati gukorwo ikurirwo maitho ni mogwati ma kuingirania na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kulevya.
Jamii ipate mafunzo kwamba sheria zipo na ni sheria gani na hukumu yake ni gani. Itakuwa bora zaidi kwa sababu makosa yanafanyika bila kujua. Wakati mtoto anashikwa, mzazi anakuja juu anasema mbona mmemshika, mbona hamkumwachilia hivi, kwa kumaanisha hajajua kwamba sheria ipo na sheria inachukua mkondo wake.
Jamii ni sisi, na sisi ndio tunatengeza mambo yale tunayataka, na cha msingi kabisa ni hii jamii ipate elimu ya kupata kujua manufaa ya hii jamii system. Wakishajua tu ni rahisi, inawezekana.
Alafu pia hawa wazazi kule nyumbani wawe na ile ukaribu na watoto wao, wawasikize watoto, wakuwe na vikao na watoto, usikuwe na ile gap ya mzazi na mtoto.
Ni lazima kama wazazi wajitahidi kuwaelewa vijana wao kwanza. Hiyo ni moja. Pili, wakishaelewa vijana wao waweze kuwaleta karibu vijana wao, waweze kuishi nao ama kuweze kuwapatia mambo vile yanaenda.
Na riboti yo kuma Kwale ni tuko tugitiha nayo mohoro maitu ma ivarire ni gabasha manya ni uko kanyitana na ivana gutihoka na mabao maku tubina bena ukumenyithia mana mavina bena kuhandika thini wa flori ni tuma nawe jetagwo Maureen Wanjiru na kyo mwavriri na njira ya shiko au mavivian wa geshi kwa ihinda riri tuko tugikwendithia wirore mwega wa tabasha kiheotv na iria irarumrira no shikihanda vaivatu ni turicoka maithini oinor tubina bena kumenyithia mohoro mangĩ na marĩa megũthiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo makĩyumĩria.